This game is called Don't Drop It. This is a great vocabulary practice game. It's for Chinese 12 zodiac animal words. You can play it online or play it in person. For our online version, I will use a ball and toss it to somebody else. That person catches the ball, says an animal word in Chinese, and throw the ball to the next person. The next one says a different animal. The game goes on. If the student drops the ball or can't think of an animal word within a few seconds, she or he is out. The game keeps going until we have a winner. 你们准备好了吗？ Are you ready?
准备
准备
好了，
好了，
鼠，赵荣，
兔，Clementine，
牛，Minji，
马，Michelle，
龙，Clementine，
鸡，Minji，
蛇，Clementine，
猪没笑，
狗，Minji，
啊，鸡说过了吗？Have we said?
说了，
哦，I'm out.